Well, that was interesting. I was examining the boiler because it had gone quiet, and I could see it had bowed on the underside and bowed on the top as well, so it couldn't actually flex properly. So I bent the end of it, and it's hot now, so I don't want to touch it, and that helped it go again, but it looks like it's probably just clicked itself into a bow again, so it can't do the noisy flexing. You can see it's still pumping, but it's not flexing. So you can just see I've got sort of a bend up at the end here, and that helped it start flexing again. And it made it noisy, didn't it?
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.